Okay, sticking to telcos and just a roundup of what this hike means and what is it that different brokerages have said before we get our guests as well, post the tariff hikes. Smriti joins in with these details. Smriti, good morning yet again.
Good morning. Yes, now we have more news on tariff hikes, and this time Airtel has raised tariffs, and so the postpaid plans have been hiked by about 10 to 20%, while prepaids are somewhere between 11 to 21%. So very similar hike to what Jio has taken. And to give you a little context, Kotak's in a note. Now remember, this note came before Bharti Airtel's hike, but they have actually pegged the incremental revenue for the industry, the three players combined. They expect about 40,000 crores of incremental revenue for the three players and an EBITDA of about 30,000 crores. So that's an incremental rise of about 18% and 25% respectively for revenue and EBITDA. Now, while these hikes are in line with what the analysts had expected, there is a higher chance that the absorption for Airtel will be higher compared to Jio. Analysts have time and again said that when the hikes were taken in 2019 and 2021, there was Airtel had a higher absorption rate than the other two players. So probably we're going to see a higher increase in ARPU of what is expected out of Jio, and definitely we're looking forward to how Vodafone raises these tariffs, if those will be on the similar lines or it will be higher, because remember, they need it the most among all the players.
Right, that's why you are seeing some of those stocks actually trade flat. It seems like a lot of this could happen buy the rumor, sell the news. But we have with us two guests who do track the sector very closely and have a clear sense of what this means, not just from a trading and a today's stock performance angle, but goes beyond that. Nitin Soni, Senior Director at Fitch Ratings, and Balaji Subramaniam, Vice President of Research at IIFL Securities, joins in. Nitin, I'll start with you on this one. What does this hike imply? Since it's not across the plans, but it's a strong move nevertheless. You've had Bharti come in this morning with a 10 to 21% hike. Jio, of course, went and hiked 12 to 25%. This is significant because, one, while the market was expecting a tariff hike, the quantum is much higher than expected.
Yeah, thanks for having me on the show. So we rate Reliance at BBB flat stable on the foreign currency IDR, and local currency IDR is BBB plus stable. I think this is definitely credit positive because we have been expecting that headline tariff hike will be coming in the market. And now the top two telcos, Reliance Jio and Bharti, have deployed significant sum of money on the 5G expansion. So it was imminent that such a headline tariff hike will be announced anytime soon. So this is a welcome step, and we do expect their average revenue per user to increase by 15 to 20% on a year-on-year basis in the next 12 months with this tariff hike, and also along with the fact that a lot of consumers are moving to higher data plans. They are consuming more data. India is anyway one of the highest market where the data consumption is very high compared to other regions. And as I think one of your colleague was telling, I think Vodafone Idea needs the tariff hikes the most in this situation because they have been struggling to pay their the spectrum dues and the payments to the tower companies. So I think it will be a matter of time that they will announce similar tariff hikes. And I would also say that we will expect more tariff raises, I think, in the future, because Bharti's management have been quite vocal. They have been publicly saying that they want to see the average revenue per user at ₹300, and they need higher headline tariff definitely to monetize the large 5G investments.
Okay.